Hello and welcome to today's lesson about line plots. Now let's talk about using data landmarks to understand and read line plots. Using the set of data shown here about test scores, we are going to find the minimum, maximum, range, median, mode, and mean for this set of data. The smallest number found on this line plot is 30, so 30 is our minimum. The largest number found on this line plot is 50, so 50 is our maximum. The maximum, 50, minus the minimum, 30, is going to give us our range, which is 20. The median is the middle number in this set of data. This is a little bit more difficult to do when you don't have all of your numbers listed out, so here is the strategy that I use. I start by crossing out one x from each side until I've gotten to the middle x in the entire plot. It looks like this. Just going to keep crossing out until I have gotten to the middle. And it looks like my median is going to be 40. You can see that this is the middle number on this set of data. The next thing I'm going to do is find my mode, and this is fairly simple with this kind of data when you use a line plot. All you have to do is look and find out which of these numbers has the most x's above it. That is very clearly the number 30, so the mode for this set of data is 30. Our final step is to calculate the mean. I have to add together all of these numbers and divide by the number of numbers in order to find this information. When I add all of these numbers together, I come up with an answer of 863. Then I have to figure out how many pieces of data I have altogether, so I can divide 863 by that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So I'm going to divide 863 by 26. 26 goes into 86 3 times, and 26 times 3 is 78. So I need to subtract that out. I'm left with 8. Then I have 26 into 83, which I know already goes in 3 times. 3 times 26 is 78 again. And when I subtract, I'm left with 5. Since we're not done, we have a remainder, I'm going to bring down a 0 and keep dividing out to a decimal. So 26 goes into 50 just one time evenly. 26 times 1 is 26. When I subtract, I'm left with 24. I'm going to bring down another 0 because I'm still dividing out the decimal. 26 goes into 249 times. I'm running out of space here. And 26 times 9 is 234. And I subtract that out. I am left with 6. And I'm going to go ahead and stop there because this decimal is going to go out for a long ways, I assume. So 2 decimal places is going to be good enough this time. And we're going to write, not 3. Let's try that again. 33.19 for our answer on the mean. Now let's look at one more example of how to use data landmarks to read a line plot. The minimum or the smallest number of this set of data is 3. The maximum is 10. In order to find the range, we need to take 10 and subtract 3, which gives us 7. As a reminder, the mode is the number that appears the most often. In the case of a line plot, it's the number that has the most x's above it. Here you can see that 7 is the mode of this data because 7 has the most x's above it. The median of this number is also going to be 7 because if you were to go left to right and cross out numbers until you get to the middle number, you would find that 7 is going to be the middle number. The next step is to find the mean. When I go through and add all of these numbers together, I come up with an answer of 196. When I count to see how many pieces of data there are, I find that there are 27. Next, I need to divide 196 by 27. 27 goes into 196 7 times. 7 times 27 is 189. So I'm going to subtract. I have 7 left over. I'm going to add a couple of zeros with a decimal to keep dividing. 27 goes into 72 times, and 2 times 27 is 54. When I subtract that, I get 16. I'm going to bring down another 0. 27 goes into 165 times, and 5 times 27 is 135. I'm going to subtract that. I left 25. I'm going to go ahead and stop there because I'm going to get to a point, I think, where I'm going to have a ton of decimals going out. So 2 decimal places is going to be enough for us with this one, just like it was last time. So the mean of this set of data is going to be 7.25. Here is your practice problem of the day. Using this line plot about candy bars, find the minimum, maximum, range, mode, median, and mean. Good luck!